In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find profile URL in Steam. Your Steam profile URL is the direct link to your profile page, perfect for sharing with friends, joining groups, or providing to support when needed. We'll start in the desktop app, then cover the quick method in a web browser. And I'll include simple tips to copy the link cleanly. Open the Steam app on your computer. Once it loads, look to the top right corner of the window. Click your account name or avatar. Then choose View My Profile. This takes you straight to your profile page. Now, look toward the top left of the Steam window. You'll see an address bar showing your profile link. That's your unique profile URL. To copy it, click directly on the link to highlight it, then use your normal copy command Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+F on Mac. If you prefer, you don't have to use the address bar at all. Right-click anywhere on your profile page and select Copy Page URL. That copies the exact same link. Once it's copied, you can paste it wherever you need into a message, a form, or a friend request using Ctrl+V or Command+V. If you'd rather use a web browser, the process is just as quick. Go to the Steam community website in your browser and sign in to your account. After you are logged in, look to the top right corner and click your avatar. From the menu, select Profile. Your profile page will open and the link in your browser's address bar is your profile URL. Click the address bar to highlight the link, then copy it with your usual shortcut or by right-clicking and choosing Copy. Make sure you are on your own profile before sharing the link. You should see your avatar and details on the page. A quick note on what you might see. Your profile URL can display as a long numeric ID or as a custom name. Depending on your account settings, either version points to the same place and is fine to share. If the page is still loading, give it a moment before copying so you capture the correct link. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.